Hey everybody, welcome back to Hidden Springs Homestead. Today, got a couple little chores to do around the property. First of which, we're going to clean the chicken coop. That nasty chore that everybody hates to do that pops up every month. And the kids are going crazy. But we're going to go ahead and fire up the tractor and get things going. Good job there, bud. Don't kill it.
Is it pretty nasty up there, Fiona? Yes. What about you? No.
No. Okay. So as you can see, I pulled the nesting boxes out. We're really going to get this one nice and clean this time because this is way overdue. Some of our perches have bent down a little bit. They're looking a little sad. So here shortly we might replace some of those for something a little bit more stout, maybe some more stout branches, but I'll probably just do the same. I like having the round ones. Some people said do the flat, like 2x4s, so that they can nestle in their feet, but we have had no frostbite on the feet issues, and this winter we had tons of nights back in January where it was like -10. So I'm still happy with the round. We'll just replace some of these out. You missed, bud. Yeah, you did. Watch out.
This is a hard job to do.
Nah, I wouldn't say it's so hard,
Really big.
but it's definitely a stinky job to do.
Yeah, it's really stinky in here. I think we can hardly breathe in here. I'm there. Okay.
Yeah, you missed again. That's all right. Well, we're gonna let these two work on it a little bit. They're getting the loose stuff with the shovel that'll go right through that pitchfork. But we're gonna let them go at it for a little bit, and then we'll get a new hay bale or straw bale and refill it and make our new nesting boxes. Make everything look nice and neat again. For them to turn around and make nasty again within another day.
Actually?
I go to dump our load, and somebody else is taking my spot. All right, go on, Sandy. Go on. Come on. I know, you just want loving. Come on. Hop down. Hop down. Hop down. Come on. Watch out. All right, now my spot's cleared. This is looking much better. Now I'm going to just get a little broom, and we're going to finish cleaning this thing out. It ain't got to be perfect. It's never going to be perfect because it's going to literally get poop in it today. But we'll get the big stuff out that's left, and that's it. All right. I already got some ladies in here inspecting my work. But I can close this thing up. But that straw bale didn't go as far as I was kind of hoping it would. Doesn't look like there's as much in there as I should. But I did notice that it was a little bit more finely chopped than what I'm used to. So that's probably why this lays a little bit flatter. That's okay. Alright guys, so ideally our ewes are somewhere between 4 and 6 weeks out. And they say because out in 4 to 6 weeks their immune system starts acting a little wonky because of the baby. So we're going to give them a little dewormer and a little bit of feed. And so they'll be nice, happy, dewormed, and ready for babies. Alright, come here, come here. Oh. I give it a couple of different squirts. So that way it gets, I make sure it gets in them. All right, one down, one to go. Using my tractor bucket here. She might have twins. All right, let's see if we can get the other one. The other one's harder. You gonna give me a hard time? All right. You ain't stupid, are you? Hey, Fiona. Come here. I want you to hold it just like this. I'm gonna need 2 hands to catch her. She's too smart. Don't. Put it in your mouth. You can smell it. Don't put it in your mouth. Oh.
Can you make it smaller?
Come here. Come here. I want you to go to my strong arm. Easy.
Are you gonna lock her up like this?
Nope. I'm grabbing her right behind her front legs, and I'm using my legs to hold her still. This way she's not going to go anywhere.
Do they like it? Will they eat it though?
No.
I understand you don't like it. Do you use all of it?
Yeah. You want to make sure we give them the right dose. Otherwise, it won't work.
Did you learn about this before you ever got any animals at first?
See that?
So what made you like get sheep and are you gonna ever kill the sheep? Are you gonna ever kill a sheep?
Huh.
Please don't.